Our lecture notes this week are on rhetorical analysis. Some of you might already have kind of a background in rhetorical analysis. Maybe you've completed rhetorical analysis for other classes at college or in high school. Perhaps you recognize some of these terms even if you don't know what they mean, like ethos, pathos, and logos. So some of this may be familiar as you go through, but this set of notes is really to help build that kind of scaffolding and structure so that you feel comfortable writing the first major paper for our course, which is a rhetorical analysis paper. Now, hopefully you have a couple of texts already in mind to write on, but as you go through this set of notes, you might kind of change and decide or lean towards a different text, and that's okay. We're still in very early stages, but please do go through and focus on the key concepts, and then I do have another short video for you towards the end that does a wonderful job of explaining not just rhetoric, not just analysis, but how to combine those two things into an essay. So do make sure to watch that video towards the end of this lesson, and also if you need more information, I have links to a couple of extra readings that you might find helpful.